This message is directed to the new coach of Orlando Pirates. Many people don't believe in you. The opposing fans don't believe in you. They are saying you'll be like the other coaches, Saber coach Orlando Pirates. You will just come and go. You will not win anything with the Orlando Pirates. You will only win cups. You won't win league. You won't win Champions League. I've seen them all. I've seen Jose Rivero. I've seen Joseph Zimbawa. I've seen Rulani Mkwena. I've seen Faldo Davids. I've seen Micho. I've seen all of these coaches. The last time Orlando Pirates won the league title was back in 2012. The last time Orlando Pirates win a league was back in 2012. The last time Orlando Pirates won a Champions League, I wasn't even born. It was back in the 90s. Many people don't believe in you, but I do. All I can say to the new coach, you have the power to prove the doubters. You have the power to prove them all wrong. It's up to you. You have the players. You have the squad that can win you big games. We have Oswin Apulis. We have